We know how frustrating potholes can be for everyone on the road, so I'm pleased to be able to show you the latest addition to our fleet, the Pothole Pro. This machine means quicker, more effective pothole repairs across the county borough, paving the way for smoother journeys. With its 3-in-1 capabilities, it crops, scarifies and cleans potholes more efficiently, whilst reducing the disruption to your daily commute.
This Pothole Pro will allow us to deal more effectively with potholes across the whole of Neath Port Talbot County Borough. This new addition to our fleet that you see behind me here in Seven Sisters was part of the Rainbow Coalition's promise to improve our towns, valleys and village roads across Neath Port Talbot. We set aside £4.2 million for a programme to enhance our roads, parks, public toilets, green spaces and lots more. Now that our dedicated team have had the training to operate the Pothole Pro, they will continue to gain experience operating this new technology, and I'm sure you will spot them in your community very soon. I would finally ask our motorists to have a little patience as the workers do their best to deal with lots of roads that need this kind of repair work where they live. Thank you for listening.